In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life or maintenance interval on a 2020 Kia Forte. Pretty simple process once you know what you're looking for. You're going to use this button right here to navigate the menus. You'll use this up and down arrow and the OK here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press this a couple times until you get to the little gear. Then using the up and down arrow buttons here, I'm going to press down until you get to, I think I was just there, service interval. Then I'm going to press the OK button. You're now seeing that the service interval has been enabled. If you wanted to adjust the interval, you could do that right here. And then to reset, so to reset the oil life or any other service interval you have set here, you're just going to press OK on reset. And it's going to say, do you want to reset the time and distance? Yes, I do. And that's all there is to it. It has now been reset. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.